Hello there. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, embracing your golden years with vitality and grace. As we navigate life, our bodies change, and that's perfectly natural. But what if we told you there are simple, effective ways to support your body, enhance your well-being, and feel your absolute best every single day? We're focusing on posture, a cornerstone of health and confidence, especially for those of us 60 and beyond. Good posture isn't just about looking taller, it's about supporting your spine, improving breathing, boosting circulation, and even enhancing your mood. It can make everyday activities feel easier and more comfortable. So, let's explore 10 essential posture moves that can become a delightful part of your daily routine. These aren't strenuous workouts, but gentle, mindful movements designed to strengthen and align your body. Think of them as a daily gift to yourself, a way to honor your body and keep it moving with ease. Imagine standing a little taller, feeling a little lighter, and moving through your day with renewed energy. These simple exercises can help unlock that feeling. They're about building resilience, maintaining independence, and truly enjoying every moment. We're committed to providing you with reliable, helpful information that empowers you to live your healthiest, happiest life. These posture tips are a testament to that commitment, offering practical, actionable advice you can start using right away. As we grow older, our posture silently shapes how we move, breathe, and feel every single day. For seniors over 60, simple daily posture moves can mean the difference between stiffness and strength, between pain and freedom. Start your day with these 10 gentle moves that keep your spine healthy and your body balanced. Begin with shoulder rolls to release tension, followed by chin tucks to realign your neck. Stretch your arms wide to open your chest, and gently twist side to side to keep your spine flexible. Practice wall angels to strengthen your upper back and lift your posture naturally. Add slow cat-cow stretches while sitting, then stand tall and perform light side bends. Don't forget ankle circles for balance and gentle hip rotations for smooth movement. End with deep breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth, to relax your entire body. Do these moves daily, just 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll notice less pain, better posture, and a lighter, more confident stride. Remember, graceful aging isn't about staying young, it's about staying strong, upright, and pain-free. Start today, and let your posture be your power. Thank you so much for joining us today. We truly hope these posture moves bring you comfort, strength, and a wonderful sense of well-being. If you found this helpful, please consider following us for more tips and insights to support your journey. Here's to aging gracefully and vibrantly.